Well, again, 164 scale customizers. We got some license plates to go over today. If you don't know where to get some stuff, I usually get everything off AliExpress because eBay charges 10% to sell stuff. I don't know if AliExpress charges these guys much, but the price usually is lower. This store here called kickcarmod-club. This is where I bought these three license plates by Fine Model. They sell a bunch of wheels on this shop, display cases, and then here are the license plates. So I have no affiliation. I paid for these with my own money, but I just thought I'd let you guys know. Okay, well, let's see what we got in here. I ordered 3 different styles. I'm really just going to do the US plates today, but I'll show you the other ones because I don't think I'm not going to find the models I want to put these other ones on. I already have a bunch of Japanese plates from other brands, Alexan Model, and European plates from Alexan Model. So, okay, well, so the ones that I will not be doing today are the JDM and the Initial D franchise. So there they are. Sorry, where's the focus? Come on. So I'll just open them up. We'll take a look at them, but I'm not going to put them on anything right now. I'll just cut through this USA one. Alright, so JDM. What's going on inside this little thing? Little cardboard packaging. There's like a JDM, I forget which one this is. This either means you're a beginner or an expert. They have these weird stickers that tell people your competence level driving. There's nothing else in there. This photo etch piece is protected by plastic. I guess keeps it from getting scratched by the cardboard. So that's nice. And well, my initial impression is there simply aren't many license plates. Let's see, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 40 license plates in this little thing, which actually sounds like a pretty good amount. But Alexan Model gives you a lot more. You can see maybe this text here. It says anime, so maybe those are Initial D plates. Police plates, random plates, and temporary plates. I wonder if these police are like Abu Naideka plates. I might have to go back and look. Darn it, that's going to take a lot of research. A taxi. Anyways, maybe there will be another video on these later on. I don't know. Alright, let's take a look at the other ones. These Initial D ones, so naturally these would be plates from all the cars from the various Initial D cartoons and perhaps maybe video games. Let's see. So this card here gives you an idea. It also says instructions, but it doesn't open up. Oh, so, well, unfortunately you'd probably have to read some Japanese. But I'm assuming these are telling you the names of the drivers in Initial D, or what car, or both, you know. So, but unfortunately, I can't take Google Translate to this right now. So here they are. So this is obviously a lot more as far as plates go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10 by 10. So we have 100 plates here. That seems like a lot better. Alright, they seem to be painted on top of the photo etching, and they seem to be pretty nicely done. And looking at, I guess they're all green, except for obviously that one, but they look like green text on a white plate. And this one looks like black text on a yellow plate. So, they seem alright. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna have to do some research on that one later. Alright, so that's what those other two sets look like. But today, we have to do the US ones, because I have all these Kyoshos, the US Kyoshos, but a couple of green lights in this little 3D printed project of mine. And I think they deserve to have license plates on them. So, the lemon law, that's funny. for foreign people or non-North Americans, lemon law is like a law to protect you from buying a piece of garbage. I don't know how well it's enforced though. That's blank back there. Hollywood plates. Oh, Back to the Future. There you go. California Tahoe. California Snoopy. I don't know what this would be. What does that mean? California Snoopy. Is there like a Snoopy on this license plate? Oh yeah, there is. I didn't know California did that. I lived there for a while and I never saw one with a Snoopy on it. Oh, well this is cool. See, I'm not sure why they wouldn't have English on that Japanese set, but this one actually tells you this belongs to Toretto's RX-7. I'm not sure who. Oh, Letty, the girlfriend, her Civic. So that's cool. If you happen to have these models, I know someone just released the R34 with the silver and blue stripes, but it doesn't actually look like the real car from the movie, just to let you know. But anyways, it's nice to know that these license plates belong to those cars. Eventually someone's going to make all these cars at 164. And then, who's Johnny Blaze? Is that, that's the Flaming Skull Marvel character. I forget. It's a Marvel character where he turns into a flaming skulled motorcycle rider. I think that's what Johnny Blaze is. Doc Smith, right? Okay, more Fast and Furious stuff. Oh, cool. Knight Rider. Sorry, I'm coughing. I'm congested all the time. And then, what the heck is a Mandrian Pace? Memphis Reigns, that sounds familiar as well. Gone in 60 Seconds, that's that car. This might be from the old 70s movie where Steve McQueen is driving around this thing through San Francisco, I think. I forget what the movie's called. Anyways, that's a lot. Sorry, I was thinking out loud there. Oh, sweet. We're gonna have to put that on there. Alright. Let's get to the actual plates. Where are they? Oh, they're so small. So yeah, another 40 set here. Not many, but as you can see, the extra colors are quite great. You know, with these looks like a dot matrix printer or something. Granted, this is a toothpick you're looking at here. I'm holding in my hand, so to the naked eye you cannot see any of this pixelation. No, you cannot. To the naked eye, they just look like colorful license plates. It looks like the numbers are raised. Let me get this plastic piece off. Yeah, those are raised letters and numbers, so that is a lot better than expected. You know, boy, I gotta bring back those other ones now. These Japanese ones, let's look at these under magnification. These are not raised. Those are just tampo printed on. I'm not sure if that's the way they do it in Japan. Maybe in Japan the numbers aren't stamped. Let's take a look at these other ones. Yeah, these are not raised either. They're just flatly printed. So if anyone in Japan knows, you know, please leave a comment. Do they stamp the numbers three-dimensionally, like in North America, or not? But these definitely, you can just see the height of them, hopefully. At least I can see them through my camera screen. And you guys are probably on a bigger screen than my mobile phone, so yeah, I can feel them. So that is really cool. Alright. So we have two front and back of many of them, but not all of them. These ones, obviously, well, this one's a double, but these, a lot of them are just random, just one rear license plate. And then what is this? Is this a barcode? I forget what plate has a barcode. There was some sort of model, I think, that has a barcode for, oh, Robocop's car, maybe. That, you know, anywho. let me just put some of these on here. And if you haven't seen my Lexan model reviews, I'll just do one quickly, I guess. Let me back out here. So this Mach 1 is the Kyosho right here. So I gotta find this blue one. This is 614, and we'll just put this one on here. So there's still plastic on the back here. You can choose to cut them out with a hobby knife, but I find that is time consuming. So I'm going to remove this and just get my fingernail in there and spin this around. Although, wait a second, I'm feeling the tension. I feel like the metal holding this on the sides is thicker than the Lexan model. It's actually pretty hard to twist that out. Let me try from the back side. No, it can be done, sorry. Actually, the toothpick will come in handy here. If you flip this over like 2 times, well, not even 2 times, the plate will just break off those things. So I'm not sure if this thing will have a front plate or not, but there's 2 of them, so those are done. Now, unfortunately, this set of things doesn't come with any of the poster putty. So I use this stuff called Oohoo Powder Fix Pro. But there are many different brands making poster putties. Some sort of plasticized putty that never seems to harden or anything like that, and it doesn't strip paint off models. So it's very good stuff to have. I use it very often to mount wheels without axles, so I can set camber and steering. But in this case, we'll just take a very, very tiny amount, and I like to actually put it on the model instead of the plate. Reason being is if you put it on the plate and squish it down, very often a lot of it comes out from the sides. But with the putting this stuff directly on the model here, oh boy, this thing is tiny. So it seems like the plate is too big for the recess that Kyosho put in here. I guess it's doable. Yeah, I guess it can just barely fit in there. I don't know if that's flat though. I don't see any poster putty sticking out. Alright, well there you go, 614 HSO. I don't think there's one in the front. I haven't seen the movie that this thing was running in. I'm not even sure if in the movie it was yellow. I think it was green. I forget, I don't even know what the movie's called, but I think it was Steve McQueen flying through San Francisco. Alright, well, I did that one. Let's see. I'm going to just see. They're all the same size. So here's this green light lowrider. Let's just see if it would fit. I'm not going to put it on, but I just want to, you know what, I need tweezers. Alright, I got some locking tweezers here. And unfortunately, I don't know if I'm going to hit the focus button because I'm holding these two. See, well, it will fit this green light. It just fits in that recess. It's a little bit wide, to be honest with you, but I don't think it's going to be noticeable. So this green light lowrider will get a plate, but only on the back. I don't really see enough surface area there. What with this 82 Corvette? Yeah, that'll work. Is there any other brand? Everything else is, pretty much everything here is a Kyosho except for that Cadillac. Obviously it'll fit anywhere there. So here's this green light Caddy lowrider, and this one can actually accept the front and the rear, and it will fit the front. Yeah, it's going to fit the rear as well, so this is definitely deserving of plates, even if it has goofy white headlights. Alright, so I think you get the idea. let me come back after I put a bunch of these things on. Well, you have to excuse the wobbliness of these cheap spin coaster things. They're just, none of them are smooth. So these are the ones I managed to get the plates on. Yeah, they work pretty fine. They're probably the nicest license plates in 164, just for the fact that they're stamped metal. You know, the numbers are raised. Unfortunately, they didn't research all the plates fully. The Knight Rider plate makes no sense being yellow and blue, because in California that would make a 1970s license plate. And so having Knight on that plate doesn't make the greatest sense. But at least they researched all the Fast and Furious stuff. I kind of feel it'd be nice if they actually expanded into other states and maybe just have some more random numbers even. You know, it's nice that they researched a lot of movie cars, but not everything has to have a matching plate. But it would be nice to actually have something besides California. I think there may have been one or two that weren't California plates, but pretty much everything else is California. So anyways, so I recommend these. They're pretty nice. They're kind of expensive for the quantity you get, but again, they are stamped, so that might mean a lot to you. I don't know. Anyways, I'll see you in the next 164 scale customization video. See you now.